Dino, Gundo, you pass the ball to find that. You have to score the goals, guys.
The third man set the ball, and control guys Zaha, and control 1000.
Gabi, when you play here, it's to arrive here. You are a striker. We need your goals. We need the goals in center. So make this kind of situation here and put the ball to center. Or make like this, pass, and center. But in that ball, you have to be 2 or 3 players close to him to send the ball. To Papa, and after if I finish, and attack inside. Okay, guys? That is what we're doing.
Today you have to win for one reason. We have to win for David Silva and his girlfriend, Jessica. He's suffering the life. When you go out there and you enjoy for him. And we don't go out there and we suffer for him. And remember the situation, today I want the win for David Silva and his girlfriend and his family. Is that clear? Yeah. Make histories in front of our faces. And you have to try to take it, guys. This, what we are living, we are not living anymore in our lives. It's impossible. My advice, don't drop it. Keep it. Keep it like today. It was so dangerous. You did it well, guys. I start to prepare the next game because I don't want to stop it now. I don't want to stop it with 18. I want a 19. I want to go Watford 20 and go to Anfield with 20 in beaten and winning games. So they are a top team of strikers. 12 in the midday, 31st, everybody thinking in the afternoon we're going to a party or something like that. In the Selhurst Park, you know where is Selhurst Park? With Zaha, with Benteke, with Loftus-Cheek, with 1000, with a Caballé, well organized, in a good mood. Tomorrow I invite you, because you have to rest in the evening with your families, switch on the TV and see Crystal Palace Arsenal. And start to thinking about it. We learn for our future, for any finals, for quarterfinals, for the next round. Leave that situation. Leave the clean sheet, guys. Leave the clean sheet. Clean sheet. Don't concede goals, guys. Okay, guys? To be from the last moment to drop this kind of 2 points when you don't deserve. Because when we play shit, we play shit. When the other is better, shake hands. But you are not better, no. You are 1,000 million kilometers better than the opponent today. And we didn't win. And you have to take that responsibility, guys. If you became a top team, you have to score the goals, guys. If don't, accept that. We are going to be out, I assure you. We are going to be out. Sit down! Nobody talk! Sit down! We drink water and relax. You are sad? There are many sads. I'm not God. I'm not good enough. I know that. Don't make faces. It's only the one in my team. I try to do my best. It's all. In a few years you can be a manager and you can do it. No problem. But until now, guys, I am the boss and I decide. Don't make my faces, guys, now in the future. Because I told you the first day, I'm not perfect, guys. I make a mistake. Try to help. Believe me, I'm so happy. Maybe more than ever because I know it's not easy. You know, for most of you don't play too many minutes. And you come here in that competition, a Carabao Cup, and player you play, that is the chapeau. So happy, just one question, guys. Before the game, I don't know who's the jockey. What the the music before the game? It's yours. It's yours. I know it's difficult, guys. I know because you want to win. I know that, guys. I know you want to win. But you have to learn to play football with courage. Our best thing in our season is because it doesn't matter where we were, we play with a character, with courage to play. For what? To arrive to the final. What sense is arrive the final and don't do what we have done all the season? Because at the end, we will have to go in quarterfinals in one place in Champions League. And you have to show who we are. And that is the test you have to do. As we play short here, always to find Nico, Bini, Dino, Gundo. You pass the ball to find that. You pass the ball because they jump. And when they jump, the space is here. They don't jump, he's alone. Turn, go, commit. They don't commit, why do you have to commit? Because they jump. He stays the ball. When the ball is here, guys, when we are in that position, we pass. What is the space? He's carrying. When the ball is here like that, he's the hit. Okay? If it's one team, guys, in that league, one team, the way we played the second half, just thinking in the result, that team is the only team in the Premier League, believe me. They can do, I don't know why, they put 7 players out and they can score a lot of goals they need. You know that, guys. The English team players are here for a long time, that team is able to do that. That's why it's 11 months, guys. It's 11 months working for that title, guys. And today you know the step we make forward.
Chelsea is the champion. Today, in March, 20 March, they are the champion. We are not. We will be made. They are the champion. And if the champions got 6 months ago, they do that amazingly. Amazingly. And you have to go, guys. It's done? No way. And you know that it's 6 days to game. Here in Stoke. It's f***ing over. It's f***ing over. There's no chance for the contender. We'll be the champion. It's 2 games. We are tired. F*** you. We are tired. F*** you. You are not tired, guys, if you want to be champion. Because they are the champion. Today they take the train to London, to Manchester, being the champion. We are not.
I'm talking about what you have to do. What we have to do. If you believe 2-0 is perfect, of course you have to play now with the result. It's 2-0 when 10 minutes left or 15 minutes left. But the way you're going to play there, I want to be hungry, guys. Because in the game against Liverpool, we have a bad moment. And we're going to react that. Even how we're going to react when they score a goal against Liverpool against us. How we're going to react? Is give up? It's f***ing up? Or still going and going and going? Because we are able to score 5 goals in 45 minutes, guys. I have to speak more for next Tuesday what you have to do to go through. You saw it in 45 minutes. How we are able to do that. I'm not talking about the players on my right. This is a team. What the quality that they have. It's clear? Yeah, I like that. It's 45 minutes to be champion, guys. It's 45 minutes to be champion for the Premier League. 6 games before. Are you going to play the next 45 minutes because of the thinking is already done? Are you not going to defend the f***ing set pieces like an animals? I'm not going to attack the set pieces like the first goals you did it? Do you know how many hours we spend here, all of you guys, compete between each other to play every f***ing single game? To win what we have in 45 minutes. It's all right.